Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Okay, today we have to continue the number problem. The number 5 problem. The sum of two numbers is 80. The larger number is 2 more than the smaller number. Find the numbers. So the same, we're going to have a representation first for our understanding of this problem, and we're going to assign the variable x and y. So since the problem asking for finding the two numbers, so let x be the larger number and y be the smaller number. And the next step we're going to do is the equation. So we will make the equation 1 and equation 2 because we're going to solve this problem by using the number of system of equation. Then our first equation, the sum of two numbers is 80. So since x, the larger number, x plus y, the smaller number, equals 80. So the next equation, the larger number, 2 more than the smaller number. So meaning to say the larger number is x is equals to y plus 2. So this is the equation 2. Then we're going to solve the equation by using the substitution method. So equation 1, x plus y equals 80. Then the value of x is equals to y plus 2. So we're going to change x into y plus 2. Then plus y equals 80. Then next, combine like terms. Y plus y equals 2y. Then we're going to transpose the constant number to the right side of the equation. From positive now change to negative 2. Then we have to simplify. 80 minus 2 equals 78 and copy 2y. Then we're going to solve for y, so we're going to divide both sides by 2. So 2y divided by 2 equals y, then 78 divided by 2 equals 39. And then solve for x, equation 2, y equals y plus 2. Then since our value for y equals 39, we're going to substitute. Then 39 plus 2 equals 41. So the value for x is 41. So our complete answer for the numbers are 41 and 39. Okay, next problem, number 6. There are two numbers such that twice the first number added to the thrice the second number equals 5. On the other hand, thrice the first number diminished by 5 times the second number equals negative 2. Find the two numbers. So again, the problem asking for the two numbers. So our representation, let x be the first number and y be the second number. In our equation, 2x plus 3y equals 5. This came from the statement twice the first number added to thrice the second number equals to 5. And then the next equation, the second equation is 3x minus 5y equals negative 2. This came from the statement On the other hand, thrice the first number, diminished means minus, by 5 times the second number. The second number is y. That's why we have 5y equals negative 2. Okay, the equation 1 2x plus 3y equals 5. We're going to multiply this by 3. And this equation 2 3x negative 5y equals negative 2. We have to multiply this by negative 2. Our purpose in order to eliminate one of the terms like x, we're going to eliminate the x. After multiplying 2x times 3 equals 6x, 3 times 3 equals 9, equals 15, then 3x times negative 2 equals negative 6x, and negative 5y times negative 2 equals negative equals positive 10y, then negative 2 times negative 2 equals positive 4. So we have to solve now the equation by elimination method, because we can eliminate now the term 6x. Then eliminated now the term 6x by addition. Then we're going to add 9y plus 10y equals 19y. Then 15 plus 4 equals 19. Then we're going to solve for y, so we're going to divide it by 19, both sides. So that's why y equals to 1. Then after solving the y, we're going to solve for x. We're using the equation 1. 2x plus 3y equals to 5, the equation 1. Then 2x plus 3, and the value for y equals 1. Substitute equals 5. Then 2x plus 3 times 1 equals 3 equals 5. Then 2x equals 5. Transpose the 3 to the right side of the equation, becomes negative 3. Then simplify, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Then our new equation is 2x equals 2. Then to solve for x, we're going to divide it by 2 both sides. So 2x divided by 2 equals x, and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So therefore, the two numbers are 1 and 1.